So right now we're looking at Fetch.ai coin, and if you missed our previous analysis, make sure you check the link in the description, because what's happening now is directly connected to what we discussed before. In our last breakdown, I pointed out a strong support zone that had been acting as a key area for potential bullish reactions. I mentioned that if price came back to retest that support, we could expect a possible continuation to the upside. Interestingly, the market never came all the way back to that level. Instead, buyers stepped in early, pushing price aggressively upward. That alone showed us the strength of the bullish momentum still active in Fetch.ai. Now let's talk about what's happening at the moment. If you pay close attention to the chart, you'll notice that the overall structure is clearly in an uptrend, with price forming a healthy sequence of higher highs and higher lows. This is the classic structure that tells us buyers are still in control of the market. Looking at the current price action, we have a key support zone forming around the 0.32 level, which has been respected several times in the past. Each time price tapped into this area, we saw a strong reaction from buyers, showing that institutions or large players are actively defending this zone. And right now, the market is slowly approaching that same level again, which makes it a very interesting area to watch. Here's what I'm personally waiting for. If price comes back down to that 0.32 support level and gives us a clear bullish candlestick formation, such as a pin bar, engulfing candle, or strong rejection wick, that would be a solid signal to look for a buy from there to the upside. However, we must also prepare for the other scenario. If price fails to respect that support level and instead breaks below it, that tells us sellers have taken control temporarily. In that case, I'll be waiting for a retest of the same 0.32 zone, looking for a bearish confirmation candle to sell from there down. In summary, Fetch.ai is still in an uptrend structure, and our key support level around 0.32 has proven strong multiple times. So if the market gives us another bullish confirmation around that zone, we'll ride the move up. But if that level breaks, we switch to plan B, wait for the retest, and look for selling opportunities. Now tell me in the comments, do you think buyers will defend that 0.32 level again, or will sellers finally break through it this time? Let's see what you think. Until then, trade smart, stay sharp, and I will see you in the next video.